Hello everyone, welcome to my channel here on YouTube. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a coaster using popsicle sticks. This DIY is very easy, and without further ado, let's begin. For this DIY, you're going to need 15 popsicle sticks and white glue or clear glue. The first step is to lay out 12 popsicle sticks together. Then use one of the popsicle sticks to strain it out. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to be gluing a popsicle stick on this end, and the other end, and one in the middle. Then you're just going to let it dry for 30 minutes or up to an hour. Once it's all dry, you have the option to just leave it like this and use it as a coaster right away, or you can paint it however you'd like. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Me showing you how to create a coaster using popsicle sticks. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and leave a like and comment down below what you'd like to see next or sometime in the future. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye y'all.